FiveStar range model TTN5267W repairs. FiveStar 48-inch freestanding dual fuel range with natural gas, 6 open burners, double ovens, 6.15 cubic feet total oven capacity, griddle, grill, convection oven, self-cleaning mode, continuo. Repairs. For the home, kitchen and beyond, FiveStar manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of FiveStar appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Surface Element Board. The surface element board has relays that regulate the power supply to the burners. If one or more of the relays fails, the surface element won't work. If 2 or more burners fail at the same time, this indicates that the surface element board is likely at fault. If only one surface element won't work, use a multimeter to test the element for continuity. If the surface element has continuity, the surface element board might be defective. Surface element switch. The surface element switch sends voltage to the surface element coil. If the switch is defective, the surface element will not work. If there is another element of the same size on the stove, try switching the elements. If the surface element still doesn't work, the surface element switch is likely defective. The surface element switch cannot be tested or repaired. If you suspect the switch is defective, replace it. Coil surface element. First, make sure that the element is pushed all the way into the socket. Second, inspect the surface element for damage. If the element appears to be damaged, replace it. Lastly, use a multimeter to test the surface element for continuity. If the surface element does not have continuity, replace it. Radiant surface element. The most common cause when the surface element won't work is the radiant surface element itself. The radiant surface element or heating element can burn out similar to a light bulb. If the surface element won't work and it doesn't have continuity, it will need to be replaced. The radiant surface element is not repairable. Solid surface element. If the surface element won't work, and the stove has the solid surface element type of heat, it's likely that the solid surface element itself has burned out. The solid surface element works very similarly to other surface elements. Inside there is a heating element that glows when electricity is applied to it. As it gets hotter, the heat is transferred to the solid surface element.